वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 8 का लेसन नंबर 9 सोशल साइंस द फ्रीडम मूवमेंट ऑफ 1857 सीई इसके वर्कबुक के सॉल्यूशन इस वीडियो में देखेंगे। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। इसमें फर्स्ट है विच बैटेलियन रिफ्यूज टू यूज द एनफील्ड राइफल फर्स्ट, तो सी आंसर है बराकपुर। सेकंड वन, विच डे was fixed for the start of the 1857 revolt, तो इसका बी आंसर है 31st May. Third, which city was captured first by soldier of Meerut when the revolt started, तो इसका डी आंसर है दिल्ली. Which leaders chopped off his hand from his elbow himself and offered it to river gangs, तो इसका डी आंसर है कुंवर सिंह. Fifth, which state was denied the right of the adopted son as heir to the throne, तो इसका आंसर है झांसी. 6, who took the leadership of नाना साहेब पेशवास आर्मी इन कानपुर, तो इसका बी आंसर है तात्या टोपे. 7th वन, who started the revolt in Gujarat in June 1858, तो इसका बी आंसर है 7th battalion of British Army in Ahmedabad. 8, which prominent leader of the revolt stay in Gujarat for approximately 15 days, तो इसका सी आंसर है तात्या टोपे. Number 9, when did the revolt of 1857 CE actually start, तो इसका डी आंसर है 10th में. 10th, when did the revolt start in कानपुर, तो इसका ए आंसर है on 4th June 1857. Page number 60. 11th, who accomplished the unique task of saving the fort of Betdwarga from cannonballs during the revolt, तो इसका डी आंसर है वेगा वुमन. 12th, which of the following is not a reason for the revolt of 1857 CE, इसका बी आंसर है lack of patriotism in Indian soldier. नेक्स्ट, फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स. इसमें फर्स्ट है, आफ्टर द बैटल ऑफ बक्सर इन 1764 CE द ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी अडॉप्टेड द पॉलिसी ऑफ एक्सपांशन. सेकंड, द रेशियो ऑफ इंडियन सोल्जर टू इंग्लिश सोल्जर इन द ब्रिटिश आर्मी वॉज, तो इसका 6:1 है. थर्ड, इन द ईयर 1857 डैश राइफल वॉज इंट्रोड्यूस इन द इंडियन आर्मी, तो इसका थर्ड आंसर है एनफील्ड. फोर्थ, द फैट ऑफ डैश एंड डैश वॉज यूज्ड इन द मैन्युफैक्चर ऑफ एनफील्ड राइफल कार्टिज, तो फोर्थ का काउ एंड पिग आंसर है. फिफ्थ, द 19th battalion of dash was the first to refuse to use the Enfield राइफल कार्टिज, तो फिफ्थ का बराकपुर आंसर है. 6, द रिवोल्ट अगेंस्ट ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी वॉज प्लान टू स्टार्ट ऑल ओवर द कंट्री ऑन डैश में 1857 CE, तो 6 का आंसर है 31st. 7th, द डैश वॉज द सीक्रेट सिंबल फॉर सिविलियंस एंड सोल्जर वॉज हु वॉन्टेड टू ज्वाइन द रिवोल्ट, तो 7th का लोटस एंड रोटी. 8 क्वेश्चन, डैश वॉज द फर्स्ट मार्टियर ऑफ द 1857 रिवॉल्ट, तो 8 का आंसर है मंगल पांडे. 9, मुगल एम्परर डैश एक्सेप्टेड द लीडरशिप ऑफ द रिवॉल्ट इन दिल्ली, तो 9th का बहादुर शाह जफर आंसर है. डैश पेशवा अंडरटुक द लीडरशिप ऑफ द रिवॉल्ट इन कानपुर, तो नाना साहेब आंसर है. 11th, द लैंडलॉर्ड ऑफ जगदीशपुर कुंवर सिंह अंडरटुक द लीडरशिप ऑफ द रिवॉल्ट इन बिहार. 12, लक्ष्मीबाई वॉज द क्वीन ऑफ झांसी. 13, तात्या टोपे वॉज द कमांडर इन चीफ ऑफ द रेबलिंग आर्मी दैट ट्राइड ऑर्डर टू free Kanpur from the British control. Page number 61. 14, The revolt was started in Gujarat by the 7th Battalion of the Ahmedabad Army in June 1857. 15. The revolt was continued for approximately 1 year by the Naikadas of Panchmahal. 16. In December 1857, Tatya Tope stayed in Gujarat along with the army of the approximately 15 days in Panchmahal district. 17. It is believed that the Tatya Tope spent the latter years of his life in Navsari. 18. Seed of the feeling of nationalism were shown in the mind of Indian due to the revolt of 1857. Question 3. Put a tick mark. True false है. First, the aim of the British was to bring prosperity to India at the cost of England. False. Second, British officer considered Indian soldier very low and thought that they lacked dignity. True. The 19th Battalion of Barakpur was the first to refuse to use the Cambridge with fat. True. Roti and rose were used as the secret symbol of the revolt. False. The first martyr of the revolt of 1857 CE was Tatya Tope. False. Kuwar Singh was the landlord of Jagdishpur. True. 7th. According to the opinion of the British official, Queen Lakshmibai was the best among the women leaders of the revolt 1857 CE. True. 8. Kuwar Singh of Jagdishpur died in April 1858 due to fatal injuries received during the war. True. The revolt succeeded because of sharp feeling of sacrifice among the soldier fighting in the revolt. इसका false answer है. 10th. At the end of revolt, company rule also ended and British rule was established. True answer है. पेज नंबर 62. क्वेश्चन 4. मैच द कॉलम. इसमें फर्स्ट है द फर्स्ट मार्टियर ऑफ द रिवॉल्ट. फर्स्ट का फोर्थ आंसर है मंगल पांडे. द लीडर ऑफ रिवॉल्ट इन दिल्ली. सेकंड का फिफ्थ आंसर है बहादुर शाह जफर. थर्ड द लीडर ऑफ द रिवॉल्ट इन कानपुर. थर्ड का फर्स्ट आंसर है नाना साहेब. द लीडर ऑफ रिवॉल्ट इन बिहार. फोर्थ का टू आंसर है कुंवर सिंह. Question 5. Answer the following question in one or two sentences. In first question, what were the main reason of the revolt of 1857 CE? तो इसका आंसर है widespread dissatisfaction among Indians due to suppressive policy adopted by the British to spread their empire was the main reason for the revolt of 1857. Question 5 का question 2 है what was the immediate cause of the revolt of 1857? The answer is the introduction of the new Enfield rifle, the cartridge of which was made up of cow and pig fat and which had to be bitten off before use was the immediate cause of the revolt of 1857. Question 5 का question 3rd है what was the ratio of the Indian soldier in the British army in India? The answer is ratio of British soldier to Indian soldier in the British army in India was 6:1. Question 4. Question 5 का question 4 है why did the 19th Battalion of Barakpur refuse to use the new Enfield rifle? The answer is in January 1857 the new Enfield rifle was introduced in the Indian army. The cartridge of this rifle, which was greased with fat of cow and pigs, had to be bitten off before being used. Beef is prohibited for Hindus and pork for Muslim. Both communities felt it was deliberate attempt to desanctify their religion, and so the 19th Battalion of Barakpur, which was the first to refuse to use the cartridge, the battalion was disbanded. Page number 63. Question 5 का question 5 है when was it planned to start the revolt of 1857 CE? The answer is it was planned to start the revolt of 1857 CE on 31st May. क्वेश्चन 5 का क्वेश्चन 6 है, हु वेर द मेन लीडर इन द रिवोल्ट ऑफ 1857? द आंसर इज लीडर लाइक नाना साहेब पेशवा, मुगल एम्परर बहादुर शाह जफर, कुंवर सिंह, शाह ऑफ अवध joined hand with Tatya Tope and efficient military commander Rango Bapuji, an accomplished planner, and Azimullah Khan, a lawyer, and journalist Lakshmibai, the Queen of Jhansi etc. were the main leader of the 1857 revolt. Question 5 का question 7 है, what was the secret symbol for civilian and soldier who wanted to join the revolt? The answer is the symbol for civilian and soldier who wanted to join the revolt was lotus and roti. Question 5 का question 8 है, who was the first martyr of the revolt of 1857? Mangal Pandey, the 26-year-old soldier of the 19th Battalion of Barakpur, refused to use the Enfield. Thus, Mangal Pandey became the first martyr of the 1857 revolt. Question 5 का question 9 है, who undertook the leadership of the revolt in Delhi? Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar undertook the leader of the revolt in Delhi. Question 10, who was the last Mughal emperor of Delhi? Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar was the last Mughal emperor of Delhi. Question 11, who undertook the leadership of the revolt in Kanpur? The answer is Nana Sahib Peshwa undertook the leadership of the revolt in Kanpur. Question 5 का question 2, who undertook the leadership of the revolt in Bihar? The answer is Jagirdar Kunwar Singh of Jagdishpur undertook the leadership of the revolt in Bihar. Page number 64, question 13. का क्वेश्चन 13, who undertook the leadership of the revolt in Jhansi? Queen Lakshmi Bai undertook the leadership of the revolt in Jhansi. Question 5 का क्वेश्चन 14 है, why did Queen Lakshmi Bai join the revolt of 1857 CE? The answer is the British government refused to accept her adopted son as the rightful heir to the throne of Jhansi. Queen Lakshmi Bai joined the revolt of 1857 CE to avenge this injustice. Question 5 का क्वेश्चन 15 है, how did Queen Lakshmi Bai attain martyrdom? तो इसका आंसर है due to the betrayal of gatekeeper Dulhaji, Jhansi was captured. Lakshmi Bai escaped to Kalpi where she died while bravely battling the British. Question 5 का क्वेश्चन 16 क्वेश्चन है, who undertook the leadership of Nana Sahib Peshwa army? The answer is Tatya Tope, the strong and brave commander, undertook the leadership of Nana Sahib Peshwa's army. Question 5 question 6 question 5 का question 17 है, question 5 का question 17 है, who was the trustworthy person for Nana Sahib Peshwa? The answer is Tatya Tope was the trustworthy person for Nana Sahib Peshwa. Question 5 का question 18 है, who started the revolt of 1857 CE in Gujarat and when? The answer is the 7th Battalion of the British Army joined the revolt in Ahmedabad, Gujarat in June 1957. Question 5 का question 19 है, who started the revolt against the British in Kheda district? The answer is Garbat Das Patel, the headman of Anand in Kheda district, collected 2000 volunteers of the Koli and Naikada communities to join the revolt. He was supported by Jivabai Thakur of Kanpur, Malaji Joshi and Krishna Das Dave. However, the supporters were captured by the British, tied to mouth of cannons and blown off. Garbat Das was exiled to Andaman where he too died. Question 5 का question 20 है, who undertook the leadership of the revolt in Kheda district? The answer is Garbat Das Patel, the headman of Anand in Kheda district collected 2000 volunteers of the Koli and Naikawadi communities and undertook the leadership of the revolt in Kheda district. Page number 65, क्वेश्चन 21. तो क्वेश्चन 5 का 21 क्वेश्चन है, when did the revolt of 1857 CE start? The answer is the revolt of 1857 CE started on 10th May. क्वेश्चन 5 का क्वेश्चन 22 है, where did Nana Sahib stay in Gujarat? The answer is it is believed that Nana Sahib Peshwa stay in village Shihor of Bhavnagar district in Gujarat. क्वेश्चन 5 का क्वेश्चन 23 है, which different opinions prevail about the later life of Tatya Tope? The answer is two opinions prevail about the later period of Tatya Tope's life. According to the first opinion, Tatya Tope was captured and hanged on 18th April 1859. However, the second opinion states that Tatya Tope escaped and spent the latter year of his life in Navsari, Gujarat. Someone else was hanged in his place. क्वेश्चन 5 का क्वेश्चन 24 है, in which district of Gujarat did Tatya Tope stay? Tatya Tope stayed in Navsari district of Gujarat. क्वेश्चन 5 का क्वेश्चन 25 है, why was the planning of revolt of 1857 CE disturbed? The answer is the planning of the revolt of 1857 CE was disturbed because it started earlier than the fixed date. क्वेश्चन 5 का 26 क्वेश्चन है, what was the immediate result of the revolt of 1857 CE? The answer is the immediate result of the revolt of 1857 CE was that the company rule ended in India and the British rule was established. क्वेश्चन 5 का 27 क्वेश्चन है, which were the center of the revolt in North Gujarat? The answer is the center of revolt in North Gujarat were Ahmedabad, Patan, Kherlu, Vijapur, Mudeti and Chandab. Question है, question number 6. Answer the following question. In first question, where was the social and religious reason responsible for the revolt of 1857 CE? इसका आंसर है the policy of social reform brought in by the company made people feel insecure and suspicious as they felt the government was trying to convert them to Christianity and destroy Indian religious and culture forever. People felt that Indian social system was deliberately undermined in railway, jail and military. Any new changes around dissatisfaction. Thus, many people joined the freedom movement to sustain their socio-religious belief. क्वेश्चन 6 का क्वेश्चन 2 है, what were the economic reasons responsible for the revolt of 1857 CE? The answer is the British aimed to bringing prosperity to England at the cost of Indians, which impoverished most sections of Indian society. Landlords and peasants who lost their lands participated in the revolt. क्वेश्चन 6 का क्वेश्चन 3 है, what were the political reasons responsible for the revolt of 1857 CE? The answer is after their victory in the Battle of Buxar 1764 CE, the company acquired Diwani rights, right to collect revenue, and aggressive expansion policy followed with the help of doctrine of lapse, policy of annexation and mere diplomacy was carried out. Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi and Raja Kuwar Singh of Bihar were among the few victims of these policies, so they joined the revolt to regain their territories. 6 का क्वेश्चन 4 है, how did the revolt of 1857 CE come to an end? The answer is the revolt had started on 10th May and by the end of June 1857 the British were able to regain control over Banaras and Ahmedabad. Allahabad, Kanpur was recaptured in July and Delhi in September. बहादुर शाह जफर and his Begum were captured and exiled to Rangoon where they died. Their 3 sons were murdered. Lucknow was recaptured by 1858 and Jhansi also fell. Lakshmibai escaped to Kalpi where she died during battle with the British. पेज नंबर 67 पे है क्वेश्चन 6. Give a brief character sketch of Kuwar Singh. The answer is Patna and Jagdishpur were the main center of the revolt in Bihar under the leadership of 17th-year-old landlord Kuwar Singh. While fighting bravely with the British, he was shot in the arm to stop the poison from spreading to his body. He chopped off his arm from the elbow. He succeeded in freeing Jagdishpur from the British before he died. ठीक है, तो ये एक्टिविटी यहाँ पे आपको सिर्फ लिखना है. ठीक है, तो ये आपका होमवर्क रहेगा. तो ये आप खुद कर सकते हैं. ये सब सारे के सारे टेक्स्ट बुक में से आपको सिर्फ नाम लिखना है. ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में ये चैप्टर यहीं पे ख़त्म होता है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ मिलते हैं. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय.